let me walk you through this beautiful house at 3504 Grand Harbor Court. It is a windy day and my hair is blowing all over the place, so I'm gonna start right here at the foyer. Here we go. Okay, we go into this gorgeous iron door, immediately into this fantastic open floor plan. This home has 2,800 square feet, over 2,800, 2,852 to be exact. It was built in 2018. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. So let's go and check it out. Look at the fantastic coffered ceilings, open floor plan, beautiful kitchen with a 5-burner cooktop. I've got my stuff on the island because I'm doing an open house today, double oven, pantry, absolutely gorgeous. You've got this kitchen that is an eat-in kitchen in addition to that formal dining. Look at all the beautiful dark wood accents in here. Well, this is amazing out here. I've got to just take you outside to the pool, television, seating area, feet board. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous pool. It is a windy day here in Grand Harbor. We're gonna come through. I'm gonna take you over to the master, which is ensuite. This house sits on 2.283 acres. Gorgeous, gorgeous French doors opening up into this large office study with a beautiful ceiling accent. Absolutely gorgeous in here. Here is the master ensuite. Gigantic master tray ceiling. I love that lighting up there. And then we're going to go into the master bathroom. Wonderful shower, his and her sinks, pass-through closet, a wonderful soaking tub over here. We've got the water closet here. And then when you come out of the master bath, to the right is a full bath with a shower. I call this a pool bath because it's got a door that'll take you right to the pool. Again, we've come back. This is the entryway, formal dining room. Let's go over here and see the other bedrooms. Okay, here is bedroom number 2 with a large size closet. Bedroom number 3 additionally has a large size closet. Bedroom number 4 with another large size closet. And here is our 3rd full bath. So we've got 3 full baths in this house. Oh, I love that. 2 sinks in there, that's great. And then we've got the laundry room, large full-size area for your washer and dryer.
Entry door.
And I just opened the entry door. And full 3-car garage. If you would like to learn more about this property and what some of the features are, please reach out to me. I'd love to give you a personal tour. Thanks for watching.